instinctual play. He looked for that ball in behind. He has, there you go, he's using Ronaldo 9. Will he go for a cross to the back post or a cut back? Does cut it back, and yeah, and I think over there was probably the moment to try a little bit of a short fake or a ball roll. And again, you see that ball in behind being used to absolute perfection by Ankit Gupta, and he's had the shot with Pele, goes for it, was heading into the top corner but saved by Van der Sar.
Yeah, going for that corner setup, has the long ball. Theo Hernandez is on the right and Cafu is on the left. So inverted fullbacks, definitely a tactic to hold on right now. Ronaldo with a ton of space, the shot for Ankit, but it will not land. It is the corner for Ashwin. We'll get back to the fullback conversation in a bit, because right now it is that once again routine towards the long post. He will find the header this time, but thanks up.
Yes, and Ashwin now ability, I think, take a leaf out of Shubham's book and start using some tactical changes, some tactical switches, maybe a new set piece routine. We have seen him do very innovative things with his corners. Going for the safe one this time. Oh no, he's shifted it out a little bit. Finesse shot into the corner, and again Van der Sar being put to the test.
Yeah, once again though, the same corner routine. This time Gullit on the box. The deflection falls his way, but Marquinhos not able to find the kick in time. And
Ashwin will just want to not lose this game above all else. Oh, hang on!
Oh, a cross! Ashwin just crossed.
And it might still be a chance for both teams actually, because if Ashwin actually had
Wow!
And he scored! He's got Messi with, and I'm quite sure he scored that with his right foot as well, so doing the exact opposite of everything that we've expected Ashwin to do, and he's got the goal finally. Will he just try to get that ball clear? No, he's given it straight back to them, and Eusebio with Matthias, and Eusebio gets the cross, and surely a goal this time. It's saved by Van der Sar! It's saved! They would love to just get the 2 wins and knock it out and be done. As Cruyff, you can see just a little cheeky lob and going for a snapshot at the near post, saved by Schmeichel. Will be a corner, and I wonder if we're going to see a cross in. Yes, it is Mbappe. Will he run down the line? He's going to look for that back post surely with Ronaldo 9. Wins the header, but I think that might be another corner. No, it's a goal.
Neither has been particularly successful. Tika definitely showing his trademark, which is those instinctive shots. But hold on, Ben with a ton of space and over the crossbar saves Tika. Tika looking to find that 100% play, but usually this is what happens when players try to be extra safe, is where they get extra weak and extra vulnerable. And look at this R9, the chip. Oh no, that's really good.
Oh, I think there would have been hearts and mouths there. And keeper, brought Ronaldo down as he was running past, as boxing on the camera happens. On a day when we're just 4 days away from Boxing Day, maybe a poetics. I'm really annoyed that it's Maldini that's received the ball. But hey, Maldini's won the ball back, and it could all work out with the cut back and the pass. Surely a goal. No, it's saved by Van der Sar.
Ben here, the tempo of the game suddenly increasing. Azim.
Yeah, and of course it has to increase, because Tika's going to be chasing that goal, and that's going to leave spaces. He's brought his keeper out, and that's a penalty. That's, I think, Van der Sar, nobody's going to book Van der Sar.
Yeah.
But now it's really tense. This is a very crucial moment, because for Tika doing the mime with Van der Sar, is he going to go the right way? No, it goes down the middle. He dummied him a bit over there, made it seem like he was going to shoot from the left, on the left of the goal. But one goal back in the next 2 or 3 plays, then suddenly the pressure is back on SC's Bengal, and he's got the overlap now with Hernandez. You can see he's getting those fullbacks forward, and he has the goal. He has the goal, and suddenly it is game on. It's 2-1 SC's Bengal and Mumbai City FC, and now the game changes drastically for Anwar.
Yeah, Tika making it clear to the fans watching, like, hold on to your seats, don't you dare leave the stadium just yet, because this match most definitely on. 14 or so minutes left on that game time clock, and a lot of pressure being applied by Tika resulted in a wayward pass, getting him the ball back, and again he can look to control it. Look at that stat, the pass is so close, the accuracy, but Tika is running away with it. Mbappe on the wing, the manual run, he's got the cutback, and he's got the equalizer.
That is an incredible comeback. 2 goals and 2 moves from Tika, and what is Ashwin saying to him now on the side? Saying, okay, just shut up shop, let's just take the draw and be happy with it. But I think the mood that Tika is in, he's probably going to go for the win here.
Absolutely right. Exactly as you said. The mood, the momentum, bodied by Theo Hernandez is Mbappe and getting the ball back for SC East Bengal. But
Ooh, he's won the ball high up the pitch and now,
Oh!
that's a brilliant turn!
Oh
And it's
my-
the goal for Tikka, he's
Wow.
got it! Is that the winner? That is incredible skill and the clutch man Tikka celebrating a child clearly. What have you been doing, Tikka, in that hotel? But it's a goal and it is 3-2 and you can see the heads dropping on that SC East Bengal bench. Should have been a foul by Carlos Alberto. I think the referee just letting that be. And another smashing ball in behind. Pele, will he look for the cross? He does. He's found Ronaldo and what a save! And it is eventually in. Because that one, I think it took a deflection on its way, but eventually nothing under that.
yeah, right. I mean, I'm sure TFC will forgive Anderson for that. But hey, this selfie celebration showing us, of course, the Russian fans as well.
Classic or alternate. But for the moment, chance for Zidane. It's into Ronaldo. Didn't take the shot. Opens it up for Pele. And what a screamer into the corner. I'm quite sure that's Ankit who's taken, that's Ashwin who's taken that shot because that's great mark.
I certainly do, and I think Ashwin did as well, because I think it was Ashwin with the gullet there. He's like, hey, you could have gone for the return, but right now a ton of space. The perfect slide tackle, though that would have definitely been a red card if he missed, but the deflection of the slide going in favor of SC East Bengal. Ronaldo is free, and he's like, hey, the standard classic Ronaldo celebration. Maybe a panic shot, smashing the tackle button, getting the shot through. Hey, you never know. But right now, Gullit on the wing. This was actually the opposite scenario where Mumbai City got a goal with this, but Ronaldo able to walk away from his defenders, but no. It's a bust.
Yeah. But an overload now on this left flank for Mumbai City FC, and that should be a goal. Yep, that's 3-1. I won't say that's the game just yet because we've seen Tikka just overturn a 2-goal lead, but you can see Mumbai City FC over there. I think it was just a simple case of overcommitting the fullback and then being a man light in defense. Yeah, and still camped at the edge of the box. Will they go for Gullit? A great shot, still gonna fall to Pele, and now Eusebio, and saved again by Van der Sar. That is incredible.
The ball away from the attacker, get it back to his own, and the 1-2 set up to clear up Ronaldo, who will free up his namesake, going for the chip, and it's exquisite. They landed, and I assume that's a shot.
Oh yeah, really returning the favor and getting in each other's way. It's all descended into anarchy here, but it's going to be Messi with a crazy ball. Oh, that's beautiful, that's brilliant, and that's the goal. I think that was Uncle Mukta as well. You can see with a little smile on his face. Lionel Messi, it ends 5-1, so SC East Bengal continuing their tradition of scoring a minimum of 5 goals in at least one game. And that was beautiful individual goals control. So you could say a slight lesson from Mumbai City FC in that